Hi guys, so I'm here. I'm Oma. Of course, I am owner of this charity and this YouTube channel. Um, I'm going to shout out you, sir, and face. Hi, sir and space. I know that who is the back of this. I know, sir. I am quiet. If I remove them, it's because they have a mistake or they not follow my rules, so that's our problem. But, sir, I'm asking to you. It's because I saw your message to the other live streamer, the other supporter and gifter. I received. You going to message them, then you make a rumors. You make your own story. You tell them that you going to my Facebook and then you saw Lay and Anna, then you saw. Are you sure there are a son? Are you sure that? Sir, and space. Are you sure? And Lay, I order to Lay to get the singleness. When I get that, I'm going to you guys make me angry now. Sir Clarence said that this is not a dating site. Sir Clarence is 101% is correct, is perfect. So this is not a dating site. If you want to support them, just support. If you want to love them, just love. But if you want to relation with them, just ask me first. Okay? And space, you going make your own story. Okay? If I'm going or I order for the Lay and Anna to make the papers, what should you do? Why you going to go? You going to Sir Blanc, then you message there, like that. Yeah, Lay have a son, Anna have a son? What the? Oh my goodness. Sir and finish. I know who is the back. I know. Guys, I'm going to aware you. They going to try to get to our supporters and the gifters to their channel. OMG. Guys, sir and space. You know them? Their background, Huh? It that's true. If you going to my FB, why you did not going to message me? Why you don't asking me, Oma, why Lay have a son? Oma, why Anna have a son? Why you don't asking me? And then show me. If she have a son, show me. Then I will going to fire them. And then I'm going to court or case with them, with Anna and Lay. Come on, prove it. If they have it, come on. I'm going to, Sure, I am kind person. We're going to get the live stream and going to help to the Philippines to make kababayan since 2019. I'm going to put there, I'm going to help from my pocket, my sister, my daughter, my families are going to helping to the others. And Lay, what you say? Lay is not a poor? Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm going to, watch this later. I'm going to, who I am. My sister from Hawaii, my sister from US, my sister here in Korea. We're going, I'm going to ask here in the Korea to help them to the Philippines from my money and the manager. And I'm so thankful now. It's because we have Sir Clarence, we have Sir Matt, Sir Head, Sir Andrew Lawrence, Sir Olard, Sir Lopez, Sir Vincent. And we have Ron Dragon, we have many supporters and gifters are there now. But before, we don't have. Okay? How many years I'm going to help with my money? Okay? I'm going to put the electricity, oh, I pay 23,000. I'm going to food feeding. I'm going to, every year we have a project. What are you talking about? Where is scammer? Huh? Why? I'm asking money to you guys? I'm not asking money to you guys. We have many student. Huh? We have many student. You want the proof that they are studying? Huh, sir? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm just laughing now, you know? When I saw the message from you, you going to message to the, you miss going to message them? Why? They going to give your salary? I'm not giving you a salary to spy my live streamer. And then, Sir Hedge and Sir Robin, Sir Ola Art, the everyone, or the old supporter and gifter here, they know my roles. That if they going to end relationship, they going to ask my permission, and they going to ask me the permission. And then if they want to know their personality, it's because I need to hide them personality or name. It's because I need to protect them. You know what? Before we have live streamer, she give her personality and the information what they doing. Once of the gifter going to the message on her Facebook, and then what's next? She going to call, he going to call to my live streamer, but I don't know that matter. After that matter that I know, she's crying, and then she said that, oh ma, sir, like that, she going to ask me something, my private. He asked my something. So this is why I need to protect and hide their personality and their private, you know? If you want guy to ask them, so that's why guys, I need to hide them personality, their name is because if you guys, you know their name, is you guys, you're going to message them, and then you're going to do the private. That is not allowed here. So but now, Sir in space, actually, I don't know why you're going, I don't know what is your, what do you want, why you going to message to the gifter and the supporters that she like this, she like that, you make your own story and you drop their name and my name's there. I saw some of the gifter and supporters, they are going to message me and give that. But I am thankful. Thank you so much, sir, who's give that to me. Thank you so much. I salute you and I'm proud and I'm thankful. So, thank you so much. And I love you. It's because you love us. But anyway, sir, in space, please watch this. And please, if you want to love my live stream, and just ask me. And please be careful. You trusted them? You don't know what they background. But if you want to stay and support us, thank you. But I don't want, thank you also. It's not my problem. That is, yeah. I am so thankful. Anyway, before you watch this, guys, before you watch the video, that I'm, actually, this is not all. Because I don't know where is it, the you know, all the videos, I don't know where. So, I want to say thank you so much, Sir Clarence. You're number one to support financial and emotional and everything. Your advisor, you are God. Yes, you are God of this charity. And then we have a God there in the heaven. Yeah. Papa God, thank you so much for giving us this, Sir Clarence. And same Sir Clarence heart, a big heart, you know. And Sir Hank, Sir Ola Art, Sir Vincent, Sir everyone. everyone in their support. Sir Roven, everyone, guys, everyone. Okay, I don't mention it if you guys hear it because you know you are so many. So of course, I am so sad because Sir Stephen, you know, someday when he come back, then we going to free for his past come out from the from the jail or person, you know. So thank you so much, guys. Before you end this, please watch this. Siyang mag-share ng life story niya.
After na siguro niya, doon ako magtatanong para magkaroon siya ng belo. Oy, salamat principal ha, Principal Smith.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat.
Ano ba, iba to lalaki?
Ma'am Snake.
Ay, minsan
Ma'am
panoorin mo.
Snake, hope we can be friends.
Oo, babait yan.
Napaka-friendly talaga.
And this is time to say bye.
Thank you, Uma and Apa. 사랑해요.
Pamilya hanggang Pinas, kaming pamilya magbibigay lakas. Umakisit, tampok ang kwento, nakakaanig ang wagas. Umulan man o bagyo, anong klaseng unod ba to? Lugmok na sawi at malalampasan mo. Kwento mo, kwento ko, ibahagi na dito. Mula Korea hanggang Pinas, kaming pamilya magbibigay lakas. Umakisit, tampok ang kwento, nakakaanig ang wagas. Istorya natin to, isang inspirasyon sa pusong Pilipino. Tambayan at kwentuhan at halika na't sumama. Mula Korea hanggang Pinas, kaming pamilya magbibigay lakas. Umakisit, tampo ng kwento, nakakaanig ang wagas. Mula Korea hanggang Pinas, kaming pamilya magbibigay lakas. Umakisit, tampo ng kwento, nakakaanig ang wagas. Mula Korea hanggang Pinas, kaming pamilya magbibigay lakas. Umakisit, tampo ng kwento, nakakaanig ang wagas. Yes, man. All present. Let's go. Iya hanggang Pinas, kaming pamilya magbibigay lakas. Umakisit, tampok ang kwento, nakakaanig ang wagas. Umulan man o bagyo, anong klaseng unod ba to? Lugmok sa sawi at malalampasan mo. Kwento mo, kwento ko, ibahagi na dito. Mula Korea hanggang Pinas, kaming pamilya magbibigay lakas.
Hi guys! Andito na naman po kami at nagbigay po ulit kami ng pagkain mula kay Oma Present sa mga kababayan natin. Tara, samahan niyo kami!
Okay na? Ito na lang. Ayan, good evening, good evening. Ayan, ito na po yung juice na binigay mo. Ayan, ito na po tiningin. Thank you so much sa Oma Persan. Ayan, thank you so much. God bless po sa inyo, sa ating lahat. Ayan, mga sana palagi tayo healthy. Marami pa kayo matutulungan. Ayan, thank you so much. And happy Merry Christmas.
Kaya may pansit po kami tayo bibigay sa'yo, Tay. Thank you po.
Lahat ng anak ko, mahal ko. Kahit wala may itutulong sa amin, mahal ko po mga anak ko. Yun po ang pinangako ko sa Panginoon na pag ako nagkaanak, mawatin ko sila. Hindi sila aalis sa tabi ko. Kaya lahat ng anak ko po kasama ko. Kaya wala sila sa buhay. Nakinggan din ako ng isiwan po. Kahit sino tanong ko dito, kung aalis ako, iiwan ko siya.
Pinagpala ka kami.
Pinagpala ka.
Ano?
Pinagpala ka na nga, oh. Binigyan ka ng...
Kung may edad na, malaki na po ako.
Yan po. Nung nalaman niyo po na may ganong factor, ano po yung nasa isip?
Nung nalaman ko po, sabi ko po sa magulang ko, ako po ay nagpapasalamat po sa inyo, aking tatay, nanay.
Kapatid ko, sa pambigay ng sa tatay ko.
Mahina po ako kasi naniniwala po kasi ako na kapag mahina ka, wala kang mararating sa buhay.
Yeah.
So, naniniwala
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Never thought that I'd fall in love. But it grew from a simple crush. Being without you, girl, never so messed up. When you walked out, said that you had enough. Nothing to fool. Girl, I know. Didn't expect this is how things would go. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel you can make up your mind. It's always my time.
Tignan nyo guys, yun yung parang ang grateful na niya dun sa, yan dapat ang kayahin natin na impluwensya. Yung mga bagay na kahit ang daming struggles, yung konting bagay lang sa kanila.
Stefano, marami po magbubukas ng gate para po sa inyo.
Yes, happily. Ayan.
Diba? And
Yes,
then,
dapat right.
Diba? And then, keep on keep on fighting and keep on believing
Yes.
and keep on having faith. Hindi lang po
Yeah.
Sobrang salamat po.
Papatry ka, si Miss Annalyn is, alam mo na yung gagawin natin. Ayan. So, kanina,
Good afternoon. Behave ako ngayon.
Parang di yata ako na-orient na yellow.
At meron talagang totoo doon. Alam ko sa sarili ko. Kaso nga lang hindi na ako nagtiwala. Kasi minsan na akong dumating kasi ako sa point na nangyari kasi sa akin yung una. Nagmahal ako.
Hindi ako inayin na si Mama. Ha? Kinsa tong paano ng tricycle te?
Moments later.
Yes ako. Okay, yapo na pati yung. Yapo. Ay, kinangkuan na siya mga tuyo. Mga tuyo. Ay, naman. Yan sa hawak. Magsusunod na sa
Like guys.
Wala na karton.
Kaya na guys.
Bilang lumis ako. Jadi bilang ako sa mga Ano mga giyog takuan? Pwede ba friend? Ay, sa tuyo ano ka? Bayan mga giyog na ina interview. Yung na pwede ko lang dali dito. Kasi nagdadaro dito. Kasi nagdadaro dito. Kamu? Oh, okay. Pero balik ka. Wala na dito. Hindi ko pa dai. Ako tayo man. Uma! 1 video. So, ang video ng gusto. 1 video. Bigyan, bumang jagat. So, next na doon. Ano ba? Ano? So, kung itaw tanan. So, nabi kaniyang itawagan natin sa YouTube. Sa YouTube na to? Sa YouTube. So, isabi mo ang first link na comment. So, isabi mo ang first link na pinakawalan ang subscribe sa nagtong chat natin. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Wala. Ano ba?
Ako nakasubscribe na ko! Yes! Ay, nakasubscribe na!
1 movie go! Ano?
Ayun, cellphone ni Pagawas! Pagawas na, subscribe din mo! Yung cellphone nila yun! Ikaw dali yun! Boy, dali yun! Hindi din ba? Ewan yung...
Yes, yes. Yay. Diba, ano, si Miling. Hoy, kapag
aming conditions, ating vlogger. Ako pupuntahan ninyo sila kahit nag-uumpisa pa silang mag-vlog. Tapos, yan po ang na natin ibigay. So, hopefully na tuloy-tuloy yung pagbigay at malaki din. Kailangan namin yung tulong nyo na sumumpay pa sa kanila at sa amin. Hindi rin naman namin ginagawa ko na para lang sa amin o para sa kanila. Sa atin lahat lang, lalo na sa ating mga kabarangay, sa Pasyakon, siyempre sa mga pamilya na ako. Yan pala, kasi tayo iba yung aking mga asawa, yung aking mga kuya, yung mga pamangkin, sino pinandyan, o kaya, iba kung sino nandiyan dyan. Kami na ako kung suportahan po natin sila. Sila man ang nakuhaan namin na kapagpatuloy mag-live sa ating programa sa YouTube at sa Facebook page. Kung makaabot po diha, kung mas malaki pa ang ating programa at mas marami pa tayong i-upload sa inyo. At hindi rin namin magagawa ito at hindi rin nila magagawa nila Regina, Annalyn, Brian, Kat, Sel, at Luna, Nailin, hindi nila magagawa yan. Hindi dahil sa inyong maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Gandang mag-iip po.
Okay, bayan.
Thank you, ma. Thank you po.
Okay, so... Okay, sige. Okay, kindly, quiet na. Polite mo. So, kasi thank you. Thank you. Mga games na prepare. Then, namin ang kanilang mga chicks. Mama! Hindi na sindan. Then, nasa sa live na kasama mga winamit sa mga games. So, kindly subscribe and follow the Facebook page, which is Chico Laska.
Thank you. Salamat. Asa yung ticket? Punya, wait lang. Hi! Daghang kayong salamat, Kit! Hi! Daghang kayong salamat! Magkadawat kami! Alis!